Hey art friends, today we're going to do another Halloween folding surprise. It's going to be a lot of fun. What are we drawing?
A vampire.
A vampire. For this lesson you need a marker, some paper, and
Something to color with.
something to color with. You ready to start?
Yeah.
We're going to repeat all the same steps we've done for all of our folding surprise lessons. If you haven't seen them all, you got to check them out. All right, we're going to first start by folding our paper in half. We're going to take the top edge, fold it down to the bottom. Then we're going to take the top flap and fold it back up to the top or the middle of our paper. And crease it down. Then we're going to use another piece of paper underneath so that when we're drawing with our markers, it doesn't soak through and get onto our table. Now we're using a red piece of paper so that our art friends can see the white piece of paper better. What do vampires turn into?
Bats.
Bats. So that's what we're going to draw first. We're going to draw our vampire's head right here on the top flap, but we're going to draw him as a bat. So what we're first going to draw his mouth. Let's draw a smile right here in the middle. I'm going to draw it right there. So we can draw it right in the middle, but above the fold. All right, what do vampires have?
Fangs.
Yes. Let's draw a V shape on the right and also on the left. Good. Now let's draw his eyes. We're going to draw two circles, one on this side and one on the right. We're going to draw them the same size. Yeah. Then in the top right of each circle, let's draw a smaller circle for the highlight. So his eyes look shiny. Good job. Then let's color in the big circle and leave the little one white. Now we're going to draw the shape of his head. Now this part's a little tricky. Watch me. We're going to start over here on the left side. We're going to curve down, under, and watch this. I'm going to go right along the fold and then back up on the other side. So we want to make sure that we don't cross over. Stay on top of the fold. So we're going to start there, go down, and make sure you're still above the fold, and then come back up. You did it. Good job. Now let's draw the top of his head. We're going to draw a big rainbow line that goes over from the left side over to the right. Now let's draw his hair. We're going to draw a big curve that goes over to the middle of his face, and then we're going to do another one that goes over to the other side, right down the middle. Yeah, and then you can do another one that comes all the way over. Now let's draw his ears. We're going to draw one line that comes out on each side, out and up, and then we're going to draw a curved line that comes down and connects into his head. He's got pointy ears.
Yeah.
All right, we drew the vampire face. Now we need to draw his bat wings. So we're going to draw a diagonal line that goes over his ear like this and then back down. And we'll do the same thing over here. Up and down. Looks like the letter A. Up and down. And then we're going to stop right on the fold and do the same thing over here. Ah, he's looking so cool. Now we're going to draw the bottom of his wings. This is the fun part. We're going to start right here and we're going to draw a bunch of curves that are connected together all the way over and touch the other side over here. Is that cool?
Yeah.
Okay, start here. You can draw a bunch of U's that connect over. All right, Austin, we did it. We finished our bat, except we still need to open it up and we're gonna finish drawing our vampire body. All right, he looks awesome. His head's way up here and his wings are down here. Now his wings are gonna be part of his cape. So let's connect this line over here. We're going to draw a curve that comes down and connects to those bottom curves all the way down. He's going to be a tall vampire, and we're going to connect the right side too. Yeah, and then connect the right. Let's draw his body next. We're going to draw two lines that come down on each side out of his chin like this, and we can come down so we're just above the little fold right here. So we're going to start here, come all the way down, and one over here, come all the way down there too. Yeah. Good. And then at the bottom, let's connect these two lines. All right, now let's draw his legs. We're going to draw two more lines coming down even further. So draw them like this.
Little legs.
Yeah, they look like
Skinny. They're
skinny
so
legs.
skinny.
We're gonna draw him all the way down like this. He's a tall vampire. Yeah. Good. Now in the middle, let's draw an A shape. We're gonna come up like this and then back down. A really skinny A shape. So we can start here and come all the way up. Yeah, and then back down. Now let's draw his feet. We're gonna draw a little sideways V that comes out and connects back in. Out and back in. Good job. You did it. All right, we finished his legs. Let's draw his arms now. We're gonna start up here and we're gonna draw a curve that comes down like this. And we can do that on both sides. Repeat the same step. Yeah, and then let's draw another one right next to it on each side too. A smaller one inside. Good. And then we can connect those two lines. That's for his sleeves. All right, let's draw his hands next. We're going to draw a pointy sideways V. So we can start here and draw a V that comes out, back in. Then let's draw his fingers. We're going to draw a line that comes down further. Yep, and then let's draw a line on the outside too that comes down to the same distance. Then we're going to draw an M to connect these. Watch this. We're going to go up, down, back up, and then connect to the outside to finish his pointy fingers. And M, the letter M. Good, you did it. Now let's repeat those same steps over here for his left hand. We'll draw his thumb first, so a sideways V. Then we're going to draw a line down, a line on the outside, and then an M to connect those lines. We have the general shape of our vampire body, but we need all the details for his clothes. So let's first give him a bow tie. We're going to draw a W up here, right underneath his chin. Look at that, the letter W. Then we're going to draw a letter V underneath. This is going to be for his vest. Yeah. Then let's draw a W right here. Watch this. We're going to come down, up, down, and then back up on the outside. That's the bottom of his vest. I'll give you some dots to help you out. Is that cool?
Yeah.
There, and then up, and then back up. Yeah. All right, now let's connect these, the V with the W. Now we can also add, let's add a little collar to our vest. So I'm going to draw another V right here. You can start there, come down, and then connect in. And then let's do the same thing on the other side. Yeah, and we can also, let's add one more detail. I'm going to draw another line right next to the W at the bottom. Yeah, keep going. Down, and then back up. And then we could also add, let's add a couple buttons on his vest. Then let's add one more line on his wrists, the left and the right side. And we can also add a button to his sleeve. We did it, Austin. We finished drawing our vampire. He looks really cool, except he's gonna look even cooler once we do what?
Coloring.
Yeah, we need to color him. This part we're gonna fast forward, but at the end you guys can pause it to match the same coloring. Austin, we did it. We finished coloring our vampires. Yours looks super awesome. When they're all folded up, they look like bats. And then when you unfold them, they look like vampires. They transform. Now, it's okay that our two drawings look different, right?
Yeah.
Because the most important thing is?
To have fun.
Yeah, to have fun and to
Practice.
practice. We hope you guys had a lot of fun drawing your vampires too. And we'll see you later, art friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.